Okay, I've got my cat watching me, making sure I do everything right. Yeah, I know. So I'm going to do my sound check on the Strat with the lace sensors and the Virtual Solo stacked humbucker from DiMarzio. I don't believe they make these anymore. I'm told that they're, just from reading online and whatnot, they're an excellent pickup. I do like it, but they're hard to get. So I just kind of lucked out. Didn't even realize it was sort of hard to find. The price was right. Anyway, I'm going to keep the black pick guard on there for a while. You saw my other video about how the holes didn't line up on this all parts part. Beware all parts. Also, too, when I was installing this, the holes for the pots were a bitch to get in. I mean, they were just enough. I really had to shove the pots through, whereas a fender that just pop right in place. So do keep in mind when you're getting parts for your axe. Might be worth spending a couple extra bucks to get the original part. Just save yourself some grief. Anywho, I'm going to use a Boss Blues driver here just to dirty things up a little bit. I'll start out clean, and I'm using my Marshall Class 5 5-watt amplifier. Okay, stand by a second, I'll get going. Okay, everything's wide open, blues driver's off, and using the neck position. This is the lace sensor. Put them in because they're quiet, and they do have some decent tone. I'll go to the fourth position. Middle. Go down to the second. So that's a stacked humbucker combined with the lace sensor, which is essentially a silenced single coil. Not bad. Okay, now we go back to the DiMarzio Virtual Solo. That one is just straight up. So it sounds single coilish. Sounds good. It's, I believe that thing. I can't remember now. It's been a while, but when I put it on the meter, I think it came out to about 10 or 11. Okay, so I'm going to put on a little bit of overdrive. Just kick on the blues driver. Bring up gain. Gain right now is at about 2/3 of the way up. I guess that would be about 2 o'clock on the clock face. Okay, I'm going to turn the gain back down to about about 11 o'clock, 10 or 11, 10:30. So that's about it. I'm liking these. They got a decent tone, and they're quiet, which is why I went with them. This is a stack humbucker. It does have a coil split capability. It's got an extra set of wires that are taped together. I've never done the coil split thing. I tried it once years ago, and I don't know what the hell it was, Les Paul of some sort. Some import Les Paul. I didn't like it. It's I'm old school, you know. If it's a humbucker, it's a humbucker. If it's not, it's not. But that's just me. But anyway, Virtual Solo does do that. So if you find one and you want to go that route, by all means. So there you go. Thanks for watching.